Kenya Power has announced scheduled power interruption across 7 counties on Monday, December 1st. In a statement on Sunday, November 30th, the company said the outages are meant to facilitate for plant maintenance exercises. The scheduled outages will affect parts of West Pokot, Nandi, Nyamira, Nyeri, Kirinyaga County and Taita Taveta counties. In West Pokot County, the outage will run from 9:30 a.m. to 5 p.m. Effective Sugoi, Ipet, Tamkol, Chester Teachers College, Lomut Market and adjacent customers. In Nandi County, 2 separate outages are planned. The first, effective Kamombo and Kapsarul, will occur from 10 a.m. to 12 p.m., impacting Surungai, Kamombo, Rapsur, Chepsono 1, Yala Tindio, Kalmos 1, Chepkumia, Bonjenge, Koibarak, and adjacent customers. The second outage in Nandi will run from 9 a.m. to 5 p.m. in Nandi Hills Town, affecting Nandi Hills Town, Nandi, Kipkimba, Bethsenda, Osto, and adjacent customers.